If you have ideas for book, maybe a guide, a how-to, a collection of the insights, or even the long-form content, but you don't want to spend months to writing, then ebooks might be a tool which is worth to checking out. It helps you to generate long manuscripts quickly, giving you a head start and saving you time. So, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find smart tools that save time, reduce stress, and let you build your project without the big effort. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description if you want to try ebooks at the lifetime deal price. And by using the link from the description, you will get some discount on AppSumo and that will be applied automatically. Now let's explore how ebooks works and what you should know before using it. Ebooks is an AI powered writing platform mainly designed for non-fiction. The main idea is you give it your raw material like notes, documents or research or just your idea outline, and the AI will turn that into a full book draft. You can upload the PDFs, text file, transcripts or the notes. Alternatively, if you don't have the source, ebooks can build from scratch based on your brief. Once you feed the inputs, ebooks uses a workflow with multiple AI engines cooperating together and combining research, structure building, content generation, and the polishing to produce a draft that reads like a natural book. The system can produce up to 300,000 words per project, meaning you could get a long manuscript in one go. For users who already have some writing style, ebooks allows style training. So you can upload the samples of your own writing like the articles or the previous work. So the AI learns from your tone, your vocabulary and structure. Then generated chapters will feel closer to your voice, which helps you if you want the book to reflect your personal style rather than the sounding generic. After generation, you can export your book draft in common formats like docs for the editing or EPUB for the ebooks, markdown or more. So whichever suits for your publishing or editing workflow, you can export that. Because of this strength, ebooks is very useful for many situations. If you are a content creator who is wanting to transform blog post into a book, if you have the podcast transcripts or research notes, if you are an entrepreneur writing a guide, or if you simply have the idea but lack time to writing the stamina, then this is for you. Instead of months of writing and editing, you get a draft in just hours or days. The lifetime deal on AppSumo, which appeal makes it more interesting. You pay once when it's available, like this time it's available on AppSumo, and you pay once and you can use it for long term instead of the committing to recurring monthly fees. For many users, especially for the small author, solo creators or side project writers, this cost model makes sense. But there are things you should be careful about. First, quality depends on your input and how much editing you do. While AI can generate the structure and the filler, AI written text may still require the human polish for the tone and need the human polish for the clarity, fact checking, and flow. If you plan to publish or want high quality, then you must review and refine the draft carefully. Second thing is ebooks promise up to 300,000 words. That doesn't guarantee the content will be deep or as refined as the traditional author written books, especially on complex topics. AI may sometimes generalize or repeat ideas or produce the shallow explains unless guided with good source and the revision. Third thing is, as far as public information suggests, your book is more oriented to non-fiction, like the guides, how-tos, informative books rather than fiction or richly imaginative stories. If you want illustrated children's book, fantasy or creative storytelling, this might not be the right fit for you. In my point of view, ebooks works best if you want to save writing time and jumpstart your book project, especially for the non-fiction content. guides, manuals, business books, or the research based writing. If you treat the output as a draft to be polished rather than a final product, it can be significantly speed up the writing process. If you value the speed, cost effectiveness, and already have the content or ideas to build one, then you can try the ebooks one time. It can turn your ideas into a full manuscript fast, and if you are willing to edit, it might help you to become an author sooner than you imagined. So that's all for today's video. Now I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this kind of video, then please make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description. If you want the Hobby Books lifetime deal, you can grab that by using the link from the AppSumo, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.